Dear boys, today we'll be discussing the topic on ratio and proportion. First, about ratio. What is ratio? When we compare two quantities by division method, it is known as ratio. The comparison of quantities of the same kind by division method is known as ratio. Ratio is denoted by a colon sign and it is read as is to. It has no units. Why it has no units? Because when we suppose we have to compare 2 kgs with 30 gram, so what we do now, these are two different quantities. Kg is another one quantity and gram is another. These are different quantities. So what we do, we express the larger unit into the smaller unit. So we convert 2 kg into gram and that is equal to 2000 gram. Why 2000 gram? Because 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams and is to 30 gram, or 2000 ratio 30. In the next step, we write it in the form of fraction. Gram, gram. The similar units, so these cancel out, and so the ratio in the simplest form will be 200 is to 3. So it has no units. Now, in the ratio, the example I've written A is to B. A is known as the antecedent or the first term, and B is known as the second term or the consequent. Then we come on to equivalent ratios. How to convert a ratio? Suppose we take an example 2:3 and we have to find its equivalent ratios. So what we do, we convert, first we change it into an improper fraction and then we multiply or divide the numerator as well as the denominator by the same number. So this will be equal to 2 into 2 upon 3 into 2, 2 into 3 upon 3 into 3, and this will be equal to 4 upon 6 and 6 upon 9. So the two equivalent ratios of 2 upon 3 or 2 ratio 3 is 4 ratio 6 and 6 ratio 9. Now in this ratio, what we do, suppose if you look at question number 1 of your books, the ratio, there are 3 marbles have been given, 3 blue marbles have been given to you and 4 red marbles have been given to you. The ratio of number of red balls to the number, so number of blue balls, first you write number of blue balls, number of blue marbles, equals 3, and number of red balls, marbles, equals 4. So total number of marbles (3 plus 4 is equal to 7). Now the first part is the ratio of red marbles to the number of total marbles. So how we write red marbles ratio total marbles, total number of marbles or total marbles, I'm writing it, will be equal to 4 ratio 7. Similarly, the second part, the B part, is number of ratio of blue marbles to ratio of red marbles. ratio of red marbles is to blue marbles. How many blue marbles are there? 3. And how many red marbles are there? 4. So first we write 4:3. This is how we write the ratio. In question number 3, express the following ratios at the fraction and reduce them to the simplest form. So question number 3 is, suppose we have to express 2 years to 3 months in form of a ratio. So this will be equal to 2 years. First we write 2 years ratio 3 months. Convert years into months. So you know it, 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 2 multiplied by 2 into 12 months. Ratio 3 months. And that will be equal to 24:3. Then convert it into a fractional form and then convert into a simplest form. So 3 ones are 3, 3 is a 24, and this will be equal to 8:1. So 2 years ratio 3 months is equal to 8:1 in the simplest form. Now the question arises 24:3, and I've written it in the form of fraction 24.3. How we simplify it? You know it very well. We have done fractions. We take out the HCF. So HCF 24 and 3 is 3, and then divide both the numerator and the denominator by the HCF. So that will be equal to 3 ones are 3 and 3 is a 24, and this ratio in the simplest form is 8:1.